this is a fun little trick to try out if you're headed into Bakasana or crow pose. And it's using a block as a little landing pad or lift-off point is more accurate. So, especially if you're having trouble getting that momentum a little bit weight forward to find the flight in your feet, try starting with your feet on a block to give you that extra little bit of height. So, just step on the block, come down into your squat, place your hands nice and wide, parallel. And then Bakasana really is a squeezing in posture more than anything, more than it's a hand balance, more than it's arm strength, it's core activation and inner thigh squeeze. So when you have your hands placed, squeeze your knees into your shoulders. Get as low as you can and squeeze as hard as you can. And then with your feet up, you're already that much farther forward to come into that tip forward. Once you feel confident here, then you can start to play with lifting your feet up. Bring the edges of your feet together and again squeeze. Knees, feet, everything in. And then you just come on back down. There you go. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.